场场场
Measure word used for sports and recreational events, etc.
Measure word used for sports and recreational events, etc.
他打了几场球就累了。他打了几场球就累了。他打了几场球就累了。
He played a few games and then got tired.
He played a few games and then got tired.
这场足球赛因暴雨而延期。这场足球赛因暴雨而延期。这场足球赛因暴雨而延期。
The football match was postponed due to heavy rain.
The football match was postponed due to heavy rain.
这场篮球赛太精彩了。这场篮球赛太精彩了。这场篮球赛太精彩了。
This basketball game was so exciting.
This basketball game was so exciting.
禁止禁止禁止
Prohibit.
Prohibit.
先生，这儿禁止停车，请把您的车停放在停车场。先生，这儿禁止停车，请把您的车停放在停车场。先生，这儿禁止停车，请把您的车停放在停车场。
Sir, parking is prohibited here. Please park your car in the parking lot.
Sir, parking is prohibited here. Please park your car in the parking lot.
在飞机上，乘客禁止使用手机。在飞机上，乘客禁止使用手机。在飞机上，乘客禁止使用手机。
Passengers are prohibited from using cell phones on aeroplanes.
Passengers are prohibited from using cell phones on airplanes.
这里是禁烟区，禁止抽烟。这里是禁烟区，禁止抽烟。这里是禁烟区，禁止抽烟。
This is a non-smoking area. Smoking is not allowed.
This is a non-smoking area. Smoking is not allowed.
座位，座位，座位。
Seat.
Seat.
有些人很幸运，一上车就能找到座位。有些人很幸运，一上车就能找到座位。有些人很幸运，一上车就能找到座位。
Some people are lucky and can find a seat as soon as they get on the bus.
Some people are lucky and can find a seat as soon as they get on the bus.
不早点来门口排队守候，是等不到座位的。不早点来门口排队守候，是等不到座位的。不早点来门口排队守候，是等不到座位的。
If you don't come early and queue up at the door, you won't be able to get a seat.
If you don't come early and queue up at the door, you won't be able to get a seat.
准备的座位不多，但到场的人却很多。准备的座位不多，但到场的人却很多。准备的座位不多，但到场的人却很多。
There were not many seats prepared, but there were many people present.
There were not many seats prepared, but there were many people present.
谢谢观看。